with our desk not all the way cleared, if you could go ahead and put the rest of your items in your desk. So you have a clear desk. Mason, on you, Caden, Jose, go ahead and clear your board or clear your desk for me. Alright, boys and girls, so today, Mr. Key and I are going to be teaching the second part of our science lesson. So, just a reminder, while we're talking, I need to see your eyes. Go ahead and turn your ears on, be ready to listen, and we'll get started. So yesterday, I remember, Mr. Yeager slept since yesterday, and he can't remember what we did, but I remember we did something really fun. Can somebody raise their hand and remind me what we did during science yesterday? Emmeline, do you remember what we did?
We went on a trash hunt in the playground.
A trash hunt. Okay, I heard you say the word trash. What is trash? Can someone tell me, what is trash? Hayden, what's trash?
It's like plastic or glass.
Plastic, glass, paper. Anybody else have anything else to add? Zoe?
Recycling.
Recycling, okay. Let's see. Colton?
Paper.
Paper, okay. So, trash, I heard you say a lot of different ideas of what trash is. Trash is just stuff we don't need anymore. That, you know, like sometimes whenever I have a water bottle and I'm done drinking it, I'm going to throw it away and it's trash. Okay?
You don't... Wait,
what's that, Wesley? You have something to add?
You don't have to, like, photograph.
Yeah, I think Mr. Key's going to take over and he's going to tell us about littering.
And what if you decide not to throw your trash in a trash can or garbage can? What's that called if you throw it on the ground?
Littering.
Littering. That's bad for the environment, right?
Yeah, for the nature.
And that's
Bad for the nature.
bad for the nature, and that's why we went outside to the
Bad
playground,
for the animals.
because we've been talking about being responsible and respectful, and we want to keep our community and school clean. So, when we pick up the trash, the litter where people stone stuff on the ground, what can we do with that after we get it in the trash bags? Anybody have an idea what we do with it after that?
Throw it away.
We could throw it away, but what else could we do, Dahlia?
Put it in the garbage dump.
Garbage dump. Zoe?
Recycling.
Recycle. That's the $1 million word I was looking for. And can anyone tell me what recycling is? Olivia?
It's when these things that could be reused, like that you put in the recycle bin, that could be like reused. Like a water bottle could be reused.
Reuse, exactly. So it's taking trash and reusing it to make new water bottles out of the same plastic that the original one was made from, right?
Nope. There's a lot of water in here.
Alright, so just to review, the three words we just covered, trash, recycle, and litter. Alright. Okay, so yesterday we were in 5 different groups, and in your groups you went and collected trash. Now a few things, what did we do with our hands before we picked up trash? Can someone tell me? Elia?
We put on gloves.
Put on gloves. Why did we put on gloves? Zoe or Sophie?
Because they couldn't have diseases or germs.
They could, yep, diseases or germs. Caden, you got something to add?
And we really shouldn't be keeping them because if we touch them and trash is germs, they have germs on them, and we really shouldn't be wearing the gloves.
Yeah, we probably should get rid of the gloves after we use them, right?
I know.
Yeah.
But how come you guys say we could keep them?
Mrs. Blade said that you
Oh,
I didn't cry. You didn't want them away. I didn't want you guys crying, so I said you could take them home.
They're still in my bag. They have diseases in them.
Well,
Every
throw them
car,
away when you get home.
Alright, boys and girls, when you get in your groups, Mr. Key's going to name off your groups. There will be group 1 will be on the floor over here. Group 2 will be at this end of the table. Group 3, group 4, and group 5. When you get in your groups, we will give you a poster board, and we're going to give you your bag of trash. So we're going to give you a pair of gloves, and you're going to take your trash out of your bag and put it on to the floor or on your poster board. And then after you get in your groups and settle down, we'll tell you what to do with your trash, okay? Alright, so Mr. Key's going to tell you the groups first.
All right, I need you guys listening. I'm going to call your name, and when I call your name, I'd like for you to walk over here. Group 1 will be here on the floor, and that will be McKinley, Ethan, Avery, Landon, and Wesley, right here on the floor. Oh, I would never forget you over there.
Go ahead and put your gloves on.
Where will Group 2 be? Mr. Yeager?
Then go right there.
Right here?
Or up here, sorry.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Group 2 will be up here on the front,
Oh, here. We'll
and
get
that
you
will
one of your
be
plates.
Sophie, Braden, Matt, Olivia, and Gavin. That would be Olivia with an A. Thank you. Next, I need Mason, Dahlia, Zoe, Emily, and Jose. Right here in the front corner. Or no, we're going to pass those out. Last group here, we'll have Emmeline, Audrey, Colton, Ted, and Riley. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. I'm still calling names, so if you guys could, keep your voices down on level 1 so your classmates can hear. Thank you.
One group left.
One group left, and that will be Mason, or see, Emmeline, Caden, Tyson, Olivia with an O, Claire, and Lucas. Tyson will be right here. Tyson will be back here.
Yes, ma'am.
And Caden. Right here. Right here on the
Wash our hands. I'm gonna wash my hands.
What are you washing your hands for? Let's wash hands afterwards, okay? That'll be a good idea afterwards. Go ahead and get those gloves on for us. Mr. Yeager's passing them out to your group. Group 1, here's your poster board.
Alright, you're going to take one. Some people, a couple of people take one. That's okay. A few people will only have one, but it's fine. Are you good?
Group 3, here's your poster board.
My other ones have got finished.
Group 4, here's your poster.
I need new ones.
And group 5.
My other ones got finished.
Okay. Alright, ready? Get it? Yep. Do
Alright,
1, 2.
Tootsie Roll Lollipop. Okay, so Mr. Key and I are going to... Alright, Mr. Key and I are going to pass out your garbage bag. When you get your bag, go ahead and take all your items out of the bag. And I just want you to look at them. Feel your items, look at them. And here's what I want you to do. You'll see your poster board has 4 different squares on it. Each square, I want you to put items that are similar. Can someone tell me what similar means? Does anyone know? Ellie, do you know?
It's like plastic goes together and cardboard goes together.
Okay, so items that are alike, right? They look alike, they feel alike, they are alike, okay? So I want you to group them into 4 different